Yes, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question chemistry for 2018. Question number 1. The periodic classification of the elements is an arrangement of the elements in order of their A. Atomic weights, B. Isotopic weights, C. Molecular weights, D. Atomic numbers. Now, for us to understand this very well, we need to first of all know what the periodic table is, where we have the periodic classification of the elements. So what is the periodic table? So by definition, the periodic table is the arrangement of elements in order of increasing relative atomic masses, or relative atomic mass. That is what the periodic table is. The periodic table is simply the word arrangement of elements. You have a table like this, where you have elements arranged in the periodic table. Now, what is actually happening in this periodic table? In this periodic table, the elements with similar properties. In the periodic table, the elements with similar properties will always keep on reoccurring or recurring at regular intervals. And these regular intervals is called periods. Regular intervals or period. So that is what happens in the periodic table. So we have the periods and the groups. So the periodic table is actually the arrangement in the order of increasing atomic mass. So how do you get the atomic mass? You know that the atomic mass is a function of the atomic numbers. So the atomic mass is a function of the atomic number. So from that, you can easily say that the right answer should be the atomic numbers. D should be the correct answer, because as the atomic number is increasing, the mass number is also increasing, or the atomic mass is also increasing. So you find out that something that has the atomic number of 6 will have the mass number or atomic mass of 12. The one that has 8 will have the this of 16. So you have this type of increment. So actually the periodic table is arrangement due to the atomic numbers, or you call it atomic masses. So that is the correct option, the D. And also you should know that the periodic table is the arrangement of elements in the order of increasing relative atomic masses, and the elements with similar properties will keep on increasing at regular intervals called periods. Now it's also important to know that the atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. Whenever you hear the word atomic number, what does it mean? Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. That is what atomic number is. So when you have an atom, it will have a nucleus, and inside this nucleus you have the protons as well as the neutrons. So then revolving around the nucleus is the electrons. So the number of these protons is known as the atomic number. You understand? So you find out that if you have an element with atomic number of 1, you're going to have the one of 2, you're going to have the one of 3, so something like that. So you have these arrangements in the periodic table is actually according to their atomic numbers, or in this case you have atomic masses, and atomic masses is also a function of the atomic number. So it is not atomic weight, it is not isotopic weight, and it is not molecular weight. So the right option is the atomic numbers. Thank you.